And we got finally the seals, so today we will fix the brake calipers. What's up? Today we will put together these brake calipers for the Saab, or actually these calipers are from Porsche. And we finally got the new seals, and we have some special grease for the repair. But there is a small problem we have to solve before we can put these calipers together. In these Porsche's brakes there is actually quite clever adjustment system. As you can see, there's a small screw inside, and when I squeeze it, you can see the bolt inside the cylinder is moving. So this is the adjust mechanism, and this caliper works okay. But if I take this second one and I try to adjust it, you can see this screw is totally stuck. So I have to take this whole mechanism into parts. I take this pin off, then I will take this pin off, and there's also a one pin inside the caliper, so I will take it off, so then I can get all the mechanism parts away and try to find out what's the wrong with this caliper. But it should be quite easy job. So let's get to work. Now all the pieces of the caliper are cleaned, and I found the fault, because this mechanism, it was so dirty that it didn't work at all. So I just cleaned it very good, so now it should be okay. And now I just assembly and put all the pieces back into caliper. As you saw, I managed to fix the problem, and now the adjust screw moves very nicely. There was just this bolt was just stuck, so it didn't move at all. So, but it's now fixed. Next, I will put the new seals on and put some grease, the special grease in here, and I will show you the trick how to put those pistons back into the cylinder.
And now we have a small problem. I was putting this last bolt on this caliper, and I noticed that it didn't go tight enough. So the thread is gone. I have to fix it somehow. I don't think I can do new threads in here, so probably I will find a longer bolt, and so I can put it through. So that should fix the problem. But otherwise these these calipers are ready. So we are almost finished.
Well, we are almost ready, but with these projects anything can happen, so but I will fix that, no problem. Next time I think I can get those calipers ready and we can put it back in the Saab and maybe do some test drive, I hope. But the Midsummer Festival is coming here in Finland, so I don't do any big project on weekend. I have planned a small special video for the Midsummer Festival, but I won't tell you any more yet, but you will see. Next week I think I will continue with these calipers, and next weekend, not this one but the next one, there will be the street drag racing, so we're gonna see what's gonna happen there. Thanks for watching and see you soon.